UNICEF warned that if the ban on education remains in Afghanistan until 2030, more than 2 million girls will remain out of school, and the country could lose up to 20,000 women teachers and 54,000 healthcare workers, according to the analysis of the UNICEF. The report warns that removing women from teaching and healthcare services directly harm children as it will lead to fewer girls in schools and reduced care for women and children. As we all know, education is the foundation of a stronger and healthier future. Denying Afghan girls to education and learning does not only impact one generation in Afghanistan, it affects entire communities and the future of a nation. Now, more than ever, the world must stand together to protect the right of Afghan girls to education and ensure their voices are not forgotten. UNICEF continues to support children's education across the country in Afghanistan. In 2025, more than 3.7 million children in public schools received emergency support, while 442,000 children, 66% of them girls, benefited from learning initiatives. Ms. Russell said, denying Afghan girls access to secondary education robs an entire nation of its potential, locking girls, their families, and their communities into poverty, weakening health outcomes, and preventing women from becoming a powerful force for economic change and development.